Hey guys, it's Emily Breeze with Academy Sports and Outdoors, and today we're gonna create our home gym. First, let's talk about things to purchase. I think it's important to buy things that you're gonna use often and daily. Keep in mind you can go in any direction that you want based on your own goals and needs. What kind of space are you working with? Indoors, garage gym, or even an apartment? In an indoor gym, I think it's best to have a dedicated space. A garage gym is the most common and easiest place to set up. In an apartment, consider modifications to reduce noise. For this video, we've selected a variety of equipment, including cardio and weights. You can mix and match based on your preference. Dumbbells, I love this for total body. You can get a lighter weight for biceps and then a heavier weight for squats. The bench, it's fabulous for lifting weights, but it can also be used for cardio with step-ups and jumping on a box. Kettlebells, a total body workout that really taxes your core. Medicine balls, I love that it works your core and your legs at the exact same time. Treadmills are great cardio, and the advantage is you get to use them in the comfort of your own home. Stationary bikes are a great way to get in low-impact cardio. Total Gym, it's in the name, it's a full body workout with so many options. Flooring, it gives you great support and it also protects your floors. These are my tips for creating your home gym. Academy has gear for every goal, so don't forget to shop Academy and academy.com. For more videos like these, head to Academy's YouTube page, like and subscribe. Have fun out there.